Hi, I'm Chris Nicolaysen, and I'm a family law attorney in Colorado Springs, Colorado. I'm one of the partners of the Springs Law Group in Colorado Springs, and today I'd like to talk to you about mediation in family law matters. First, I want to talk about some things to do before mediation happens. The first thing I think you should do is you should go and find out where mediation is and what day and time it is and who your mediator is. Next, you want to make sure that you pay your mediator in advance. You don't want to have to worry about paying your mediator the day of mediation. And I have seen some mediators actually cancel mediation if they don't receive payment at all. And then lastly, you want to talk to your mediator about what their policy is on bringing family members or other people for support at mediation. I know some mediators do allow it, but I've also seen other mediators only allow parties of the case and their attorneys if they do have them. Next, I want to talk about what is mediation. Mediation is the chance where both parties in a case can get together with a neutral third party and try to come to resolution on any of the contested issues in their case. Generally, I find that the parties are kept in separate rooms the entire time. It's not like what you see on TV where you're going to have all the parties sitting at a long conference table with the mediator right in the middle. In the family law cases that I do, the parties are in separate rooms throughout the duration of mediation. On exception, I do see the mediators pull the parties in, but that is on a rare occasion. So what is the goal of mediation? The goal of mediation is to try to come to a full agreement on all issues. However, understand though that you are under no obligation at mediation to agree to anything. It's your choice, and you have control in what you agree to and what you don't agree to. I generally tell my clients that there are three possible outcomes that can happen at mediation. First, you can come to an agreement on everything. Next, you can come to an agreement on some of the issues, but not all of the issues. And lastly, you don't come to any agreement on any of the issues at all. Also remember that the mediator is not your attorney and cannot give you legal advice on the specifics in your case. Their job is to provide suggestions and coming to a resolution in your matter. Most mediations that I do run around 2 hours. I have had some that have been shorter and some that have been longer as well. It depends on the specifics of the case and the schedule of the mediator and the parties. If you do come to any sort of an agreement, even on one issue or all of the issues, generally the mediator will draft up a document called a memorandum of understanding or an MOU. Next, I want to give you some general advice while you're at mediation. Mediation in family law matters can be very emotional for both sides, so take this advice to heart. First thing is to stay positive. There's going to be an array of emotions that'll go as you're going back and forth trying to come to an agreement with the other side, so make sure you stay positive. Next, make sure you listen to the mediator, and if you have an attorney, listen to their advice as well. They're trying to guide you through a process as well in hopes of coming to a resolution. And lastly, don't take any offers from the other side as a personal attack or a personal slight against you, because you don't have to come to an agreement or you don't have to accept their offer. So don't take those offers from the other side as an attack. You can always say no, you can counter, you can agree to it, but it's completely up to you. Remember, you have control in your mediation as what you agree to and what you don't agree to. Lastly, I'd like to leave you with a final thought on mediation. I generally believe that a good mediated agreement is one where neither party gets everything that they want. Both parties will generally walk out a little unhappy because they gave up a little bit in their final agreement. So if you've come to an agreement at mediation, it means that you didn't get everything you wanted and neither did the other party. If you have questions about family law mediation, please contact a local family law attorney in your area. If you live in or around the Colorado Springs area, contact us at Springs Law Group. We'd be more than happy to sit down with you and talk to you about the specifics of your case. We do offer a free consultation and would love to hear from you.